Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to actually delete a page on Facebook application. So first of all, of course, you would like to go and download Facebook application if you don't have it on your phone. Of course, you can do that through Play Store if you're using an Android, App Store if you're using an iPhone, or any other store you could be possibly using. Then you would like to go and sign in to create your account. Of course, if you already have an account, just ignore all of that, log in into your account, and let's just get straight to it. So let me just go here and launch my Facebook application, as you should, of course, if you want to follow this tutorial steps. So for me, I still have no page, so let me just go and create a page first. So actually, after opening the Facebook application, that will actually be your home/main screen. And if you want actually to go to your page, all you need to do, just go and click at the three lines here at the top right corner, then click add pages. Of course, if you have a page, you will find it here. If you don't have it, all you need to do, just tap at create, get started, name your page whatever I'm gonna name it, choose like a category. Something went wrong, please try again. We just click okay. So maybe they are not letting me creating a page until I verify my account. So let me just go and show you at another page. So let's just go at this page as an example. So let's say as an example, that is your page. If you want to delete your page, all you need to do in the top right corner, let me scroll down. So no, it's at the top right corner. Let's just go and click at the three dots here. As you can see, if you click on that and it's actually your page, you'll find here several options. All you need to do, just go and tap at general settings. You will find this here down there, and then below remove page, tap delete page, and you will find of course the page name. Then tap at delete page, and actually you will need to confirm and you will be good to go. So that will be actually for the video. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.